Houston Maritime attorneys. The city of Houston, with its prime location on the Gulf Coast, is a world leader in maritime trade, commercial fishing, offshore drilling, and a variety of other thriving maritime industries. Each year spend on dollar billion of of maritime trade and industry pass through the Houston area or area facilitated by people working in the Houston area. As a result, many multi-billion and million-dollar companies have chosen to make their headquarters and or employ large number of staff in the Houston area. Additionally, the Port of Houston also provides direct cases a case for mariners, mariners and trade to flow freely deep into the heart of Texas. Long-term, on the works endured along this water may be able to visit their climbs through the LHWA Longshore and Harbor Works Compensation Act for those injured while on the water uh, throughout they may need an experienced Genius Act of sort attorneys, the one at Doyle Dennis LLP to properly measure what they are legally owned under federal and state maritime laws. Houston offshore accident lawyers adjures a variety of maritime accident and offshore incident of Houston maritime employers are unfortunately preventable when proper procedures are followed and seamen are provided proper equipment. The risk of injury and in accident goes significantly down, often without carries on negligent employers, employ third parties, and other will put other maritime works in the area or on the vessel at risk for significant injury or death offshore, and and maritime works are legally obligated. A step place to work, including a set work, vessel, and in safe condition. When companies fail to provide this legal right and an injury happens, they may be liable for the damage directly caused and as well as other obligation owed to seamen by the Genius Acts. While maritime accident and offshore drilling incident occur to water throughout the world, often the company leadership and business are based right here in Texas. As such, offshore works area often able to future justice and hold their employees responsible in the proper federal or local jurisdiction of the business they work rather than casing justice in unfamiliar system and jurisdiction of foreign countries and waters. Our experienced Genius X attorneys will help you understand where your potential clients may fall under and what is the best way to pursue those clients. Contact us today for a free case evaluation to understand your right. Why do you need an experienced Houston maritime attorney? Maritime laws can be a dizzying maze of complex rules and regulation which require expertise and experience to successfully pursue a climb. Porsche, a climb. Maritime and Admiralty injury attorneys need to understand not only what laws relate to their case, but also which application of those laws provide the best avenues for our client. Offshore injuries and fatalities from maritime disaster and incident can leave a family struggling to pick up the pieces. Our firm takes pride in helping our client and their families force what they are owed and continue to progress with their lives. Admiralty and Admiralty and maritime laws is something our trial attorneys have worked diligently on for decades, and why their fears recognize recognize them for their verdicts, settlement, and accomplishment. Our team of attorneys for decades has successfully fuseled litigation against multi-billion-dollar companies with extensive legal power. Our attorneys have traveled across the globe to fight on behalf of international clients in injury while working American companies in the offshore drilling industry. If our experienced offshore injury attorneys believe in your case, they will fight to get your what you legally deserve and are owed. Please contact our team today to see how we can assist you. Proper record of winning verdicts and settlement on behalf of our client. At Doyle Dennis LLP, our maritime and admiralty attorneys pride themselves on the ability to evaluate proper jurisdiction and the best path forward for our client to get what they are legally owed and deserve. The Doyle Dennis LLP Maritime team has a directed history of jury verdicts and settlement on behalf of injured clients and their families. Our attorneys understand what it takes to pursue a successful offshore injury claims and can guide you there with a strong ally and your site. Doyle Dennis LLP will feature your case throughout awareness including its journey trial if we believe that is what it will take to get you deserve. Our attorneys take pride in their ability to fight and litigate successfully for their hard-working offshore injury clients that are looking to move forward with their life after horrific maritime accident. Offshore accident attorneys employees that suffer injury while working offshore or in another maritime ca- capacity for the following companies may be able to pursue Denise X claim for their employees. Negligent. Our attorneys can help you understand what you are entitled to by the laws and what companies must provide after a life changing injury or accident. We have represented injury seamen drilling, floor hand rigger, Erection is district has set fee.